definitely been one of a kind for me in that every single topic and every single keynote was fascinating.
It was an amazing experience connecting with such high-level individuals from amazing brands.
And just to experience everything in real time as a group, I think is just invaluable.
It's really energizing. It is something that you're going to feel pumped up about. The traditional sort of conference is going to pale in comparison.
Good morning, Future Festival. How you feeling out there? There we go, there we go.
Diversity is valued. Your new ideas are valued. We're all on the same page today because we're all innovators. And we're all trying to tackle similar challenges, get people to connect with new ideas and create cultures of innovation.
So the simple question is, what opportunity currently is so close within your grasp? Maybe it's a bigger role, a new product, a new service, or just a different way of doing things. That's what I want to help you unlock while you're here at Future Festival.
See it to believe it. It exceeded my expectations.
Do you want to take your career to the next level? Because that's what this did for me. And if you have an interest in that, I suggest you come with me and check it out.